Wow. 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 Wow.
Hi, did that catch your attention? I bet it did. If there's anything that we love more than productivity and organization here at Bublup, it's food. We all love food. Half of us are digital nomads who get to try a new dish in another country every other week, and the other half are foodies and lovers of life. I myself love making food as much as I love eating it. From finding new recipes, keeping track of my kitchen discoveries, and documenting my food adventures, I have so much food content in my Bublup. So I decided to keep a food journal. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how I use Bublup to organize and design my food blog with mouth-watering content of recipes and daily eats. If you're all about food, travel, productivity, creativity, and organization, be sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And we're back. With the ability to showcase videos, images, links, and notes, a Bublup roll is my all-time favorite feature. It allows me to quickly turn any and all of my content into an instant mini webpage. That's super easy to edit. Alright, so if you're new to rolls, make sure you check out these crash courses right here and learn how to create, organize, and sync your rolls, and then come on back. Welcome back! First, we're gonna edit our rolls. Alright, let's start with themes. Look at all these themes! So we have 17 themes, and each theme has a variety of color schemes. But let me tell you this, it doesn't even stop there. If you go to colors, you now have the rainbow at your fingertips. Choose what fits best for you or your brand. And it gets even better. We even added a dropper tool. This is a new feature to give you more control of the look and feel of your roll. So check it out, try it out, and tell us what you think. I think I'll go with these colors here. Let's see. Okay, let's move on. Also in our latest release, font choices. You now have 27 free fonts to choose from. And if you upgrade to premium, you get all 92. What? So font choices. So a little bit about font choices. You want your header to always be bolder and bigger and heavier than your subtext. Lastly, your body text should always be readable, smaller, and more neutral than your head and subtext. Pro tip! 3 is the lucky number. More than 3 fonts, your roll is gonna start looking chaotic. Moving on, let's get into layouts and images. I like to have my layout specific to its section, so I like to mix and match. Let me show you what it looks like. So instead of adjusting my layouts and images here, which will apply the setting to your entire roll, I'm gonna go to the individual sections and change the settings accordingly. And in the most recent update, we've added a float option to layout. Float allows you to have your image and text side by side while maintaining your image size to your set preference. And ta-da! I can literally stare at my food blog all day. And that's pretty much it. If you love putting things together as much as I do, check out our rolls feature, show us yours, and link it in the comments below. If you're all about food, travel, productivity, creativity, and organization, be sure you hit that like and subscribe button. My name is Nicky Bam, and I'll see you next time. Bye!